Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jimmy, and tonight we have a bunch of details to go over of what to expect for the rest of February as well as March. Now, I got an email from my Samsung contact letting me know that tonight at 10 p.m. Eastern, which is actually the exact time that this video is going live. So once this video is live and you are starting to see it, that means Samsung just announced the rollout of Galaxy AI across even more devices through the new Samsung One UI 6.1 update. It'll start to be available in late March for all of the owners of Galaxy S23 series, the S23 FE, the Z Fold 5, the Flip 5, as well as the Tab S9 Ultra, the Tab S9 Plus, and the Tab S9. Pretty much all of the brand new generative AI features, basically Galaxy AI that was introduced on the Galaxy S24 series, will then be available on those said devices. Now, as a quick reminder of what is a part of this update, but it's not limited to, you'll have Circle to Search, so you can do this with Google over any application that you're on. You press and hold on the home button, and then you're able to circle and search anything you see on the screen. You have Live Translate. You also have Interpreter. You also have Chat Assist, which is available through the Samsung keyboard, and then the Generative Edit, which is where you're able to edit your photos inside of your Samsung gallery. Now, attached in that email was this final press release, and so this right here is not able to be publicly seen until this video is live. The moment that this thing goes live, I'll find that link, I'll place it below the video inside the description, so this way you can read it as its full entirety. I've already pretty much summarized everything, but there's a few things I want to cover in this final press release. Let's just talk about the Samsung One UI 6.1 update being pushed out to more Galaxy devices, which will bring Galaxy AI. We've already talked about all the different devices that it'll come to, and then also too, it's talking a little bit about the brand new Galaxy AI and the Galaxy S24 with it being its latest device. And then here's some of the features. So Chat Assist basically is where you're able to translate messages in 13 different languages. And also too, you can change the tone of your message. So if you're using the Samsung keyboard and messages, if you're on a social application and email, you can change the way that it comes through with whatever you wrote. You also have the Live Translate, which you can use during phone calls. You have Interpreter application, which is pretty cool because the next thing I'm going to show you is that you'll be able to do this on your Galaxy S24 device with some of the Galaxy Buds from Samsung, where in your ear, you can actually hear what the other person said live, while they can hear anything you say via the phone speaker. So we'll actually go over that here next because there's a lot of updates for Galaxy Buds. And then you also have productivity. So there's a bunch of different search engines you can use when it comes down to it. More, specifically talking about Circle to Search with Google. You also have Note Assist. So basically you're able to create formats, generate summaries, and translate notes. And you can also do the same thing right here with Browsing Assist, which is using the Samsung Internet. And then you also have Transcript Assist. So you can easily transcribe meeting recordings and generate summaries and translations. And then over here, let's talk about the Inner Artist. So this is a lot of the generative edit stuff. So this is what is built into the Galaxy AI tools that's built into your Samsung gallery to edit your photos. You also have edit suggestions. So this way you could be able to see how to polish photos faster and easier, again, with that edit suggestion. And then you also have instant slow-mo, which means if you record a video without you having to actually record it in slow-mo, you can just watch back the normal speed video by pressing and holding on that video. And then this is a way that you can actually see what it looks like instantly as a slow-mo video. So again, it's all going to be right here with the Samsung US newsroom. Again, once it's live, I will place this link below the video inside the description. But let's now go over into some more updates that's happening during this month of February. Now here's another email that I got from my Samsung contact, and the thing about this one is that I wanted to shoot it yesterday. I was a little sick to do it, but it actually works perfect for this video today because there was more updates to actually cover. Now this is stuff that you'll be able to kind of start noticing this month if you are a Galaxy Bud owner, because they'll actually kind of bring in Galaxy AI features to work with the Galaxy Buds. But before we talk about that right here, I do want to show you this article. This was something that I read. It came out just yesterday on the 20th. And as I went through this article right here actually kind of caught my attention. And it's talking about what I believe to be the Galaxy Ring. So it's talking about Galaxy AI beyond smartphones, optimizing it for various categories of devices across various services. In the near future, the select Galaxy wearables will use AI to enhance digital health and unlock a whole new era of expanded intelligent health experiences. This right here is talking about a whole new era of expanded intelligent health experiences, and Samsung will keep enriching and expanding Galaxy AI experiences across categories through collaborations with more industry-leading AI partners. So they're talking more than just watches and buds. This thing is talking about a whole new era, something that they haven't done yet, which again is the Galaxy Ring to enhance digital health. And so this right here was just kind of talking a little bit about it. So make sure that you guys are staying tuned, because later this year, my guess, around the launch of the next flips and the folds, they'll probably put the Ring alongside those devices. And then now moving on to the Galaxy Bud details, which we'll be able to see later this month during February. It'll be pushed out to the Galaxy Buds 2 Pros, the Buds 2, and the Buds FE. Especially when you pair it with the Galaxy S24 series, there's a lot of things you're able to do that comes from Galaxy AI. So let's take a look at this announcement. I'm not going to, go through every single area here. I do want to kind of break down what some of these different features you're able to do which is Interpreter. So Interpreter enhances communication by providing real-time translation on your Galaxy S24 series. But when you pair it with the Galaxy Buds, they further optimize the feature by separating sound during conversation. So you can listen to translations through your earbuds while the other person hears through your phone speaker, which kind of helps you focus a little bit better on the conversation rather than passing the phone back and forth, back and forth. Now, next up will be some other things with the ecosystem for your Galaxy Bud. So once the Galaxy Bud update, you're going to have another portion of the Samsung ecosystem, which will be your Samsung TV. So AuraCast, it's basically a way that if you are connected to your Samsung TV, which there's particular TVs, it's going to transform the TV into a shared radio station that can be broadcast across multiple Galaxy Buds. And you just have to make sure you have the latest update. This feature is coming to phones and tablets, including the Galaxy S24 series, which I've already shown this off before. You also have 360 audio, so if you're connected to your TV, when you turn your head left or right, the audio will track your head, so this way the sound will change along with your head movement as well. You also have auto switch, so if you're watching your Samsung TV, you're connected through your Galaxy Buds, you receive a phone call, it'll actually just stop the TV, probably pause it, and then move it right back over into your Samsung Galaxy phone, so this way you can hold your conversation, and then it moves right back to your TV. They're also expanding the feature to PCs, including the Galaxy Book 4 series, enabling you to conveniently enjoy premium sound across Samsung devices. So in addition to the latest Galaxy AI feature update, this software update for enhanced connectivity will be made progressively available on the Galaxy Buds 2 Pros, the Galaxy Buds 2, and the Buds FE starting in late February. So that is at the very end of this month. And then as you scroll down, you have your smaller text. So you have your 1s, the 2s, the 3s, the 4s of what we saw from above. So this is letting you know which devices it has the compatibility with. Now for number 2, they're talking about AuraCast, which means either you can broadcast out like a radio signal, and you can do that with the S24 series, and then soon the S23 series, the Z Fold 5, the Flip 5, the Tab S9 series, as long as you have 6.1 or above. But then you can listen to AuraCast broadcast, which I've already shown how you can do both of these. And then listening to one, not just broadcasting, but listening, you can do with all the devices that we just got done stating, but also the Z Fold 4, the Z Flip 4, the A54, the M54, and as well as that Tab S9 series. And it also looks like the Tab S9 FE series and the Tab Active 5 5G with One UI 5.1.1 or above. And then again, they're just talking a little bit more about, the rest of these little updates and all the other smaller fine prints. So I will place all of these links below the video inside the description. So that's everything that I wanted to cover in today's video. Don't forget that also tomorrow, February 22nd, is when the rollout starts for the bigger update for the S24 series when it comes down to the screen vividness, the camera, and a whole bunch of other things. And then sometime during this month, towards the end of February, you'll see all these updates for Galaxy Buds. And then here's the final press release. We'll talk about that one. I'll place that link below the video inside the description. And then later in the month of March, towards the end of March, that's when you'll see the 6.1 update with Galaxy AI coming to the rest of these devices, the S23 series, the S23 FE, the Z Fold 5, Flip 5, as well as the Tab S9 series, and pretty much all of those Galaxy AI features. So hopefully you guys appreciated this little update video. If you guys did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.